Welcome back to our channel, AskGazebo. Today, we're exploring an interesting question. Can a gazebo be a chuppah? Let's find out. A chuppah is a symbolic structure in Jewish wedding tradition, representing the couple's new home and the sacred space where the marriage ceremony takes place. But can a gazebo serve as a chuppah? Let's compare gazebos and chuppahs to see if they can work together. Both structures provide shelter, create an intimate space, and can be beautifully decorated. Gazebos are standalone structures with a solid roof and open sides, often found in gardens or outdoor settings. They offer a versatile space for relaxation or hosting events like weddings. The great thing about gazebos is their versatility. With various styles, shapes, and sizes available, it's possible to transform a gazebo into a chuppah. To turn a gazebo into a chuppah, you'll need to consider a few things. First, choose a gazebo that suits your style and event theme. Look for one with an open design or removable walls for customization. Next, you'll need a canopy or cloth to create the traditional chuppah look. Draping beautiful fabric, such as lace, organza, or silk, over the gazebo's frame instantly transforms it into a chuppah. Don't forget the symbolic aspects. Personalize your chuppah by incorporating meaningful elements like family heirlooms or special fabrics. This adds depth and significance to the ceremony. Imagine standing under a gazebo-turned-chuppah, surrounded by your loved ones, as you exchange vows. It provides a magical and enchanting backdrop, combining the comfort of a gazebo with the symbolic meaning of a chuppah. So, whether you're planning a traditional Jewish wedding or simply looking to add a touch of elegance, remember that a gazebo can indeed be transformed into a chuppah. It offers a unique and beautiful space to celebrate your love and commitment. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting discussions. As always, feel free to leave your questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Ask Gazebo.